Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate and use Shell gift card. So if you want to do this, it's really easy. Let me show you. I mentioned all these methods here. Bring your physical gift card and purchase a receipt to a Shell station. The station attendant will activate the card for you. First, add the digital e-gift card to the Shell app as a payment method. Once added to your Shell app, you can redeem the digital card through the app. The Shell gift card can be redeemed at the pump in or in store. The Shell e-gift card can be redeemed through the Shell app. It can also be used to purchase gasoline, auto supplies, food, snacks, car washes, and other items at the Shell station nationwide. You can do this by visiting Shell gift card website and click check your balance. Enter your 16-digit card without spaces and the gift card PIN. Click submit to view your current gift card balance here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.